So let's take a look at some of the command line options for PHP. If you have Bitnami or XAMPP or Windows WAMP installed on your system, and if you have php.exe in your system path, then you will be able to execute any PHP code through command line as well. Okay, so let me switch over to a directory. Okay, so I'm gonna run some command line options that show you how to work with PHP using command line. So the first thing that we are going to take a look at is PHP version. So we use PHP-V and it should show you the version that is installed on your system. Okay, so PHP 7.1.17 is installed on my system. Okay, similarly, I can get the help commands using PHP, then space, then dash, then H. Okay, if I hit enter, it should give me a list of commands that I can use. So if you're not aware of any commands, then simply use PHP, then space dash H on command prompt. Okay, now let me just clear the buffer. Okay, so the next thing is to take a look at some of the installed modules on your system with the help of your PHP setup. So type in PHP, then space, then dash I. If you hit enter, then it should return you the list of modules that are installed. So this list is extremely big, and you can see it will go through a lot of space to scroll. Okay, a lot of path you will see here. Also some of the modules and settings. Okay, so as you can see, when you want some of the information regarding modules and what's installed and enabled in your php.ini, then you can use php dash I. So php space dash I is for PHP module information. Okay, now let's take a look at one more command where you can take a look at PHP path. You can type in for, then %I in within bracket php.exe. It does your loop to check for php.exe, then do echo, then dot, then space, then percentage, then hyphen, then $, capital or uppercase path, then colon, and then I. Okay, and simply hit enter, and it should return you with the path where you have php.exe installed. So these are some of the command line options that you should know. And there is one more command which is allowing you to run your PHP code. So simply use PHP and then name of your PHP file, hit enter, and you get whatever is written within your PHP file, and anything that says some sort of echo or print, that will be printed on your command prompt. So these are total 5 typical command line options that you should know.